chicken, where are you? Quack, 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 not one or two. She looked by the tree and behind the rocks. She peeked in the bushes and under the blocks. No little ducklings, oh no, no. Where did her baby duckies go? She waddled fast with worried eyes, calling her babies under the skies. Then she heard a giggle, quack, quack, quack. 5 little duckies came running back. They jumped and splashed in the little blue stream, playing and laughing just like a dream. Mama Duck is happy, yay, yay, yay. All her ducklings came to play. They huddled close with a happy cheer. Together again, the whole gang's here. Hey!